Our city hosts a diverse array of migratory birds, with 200 species spotted in and around the city. These birds face numerous challenges due to climate change, habitat loss, and human activities. Well, why do birds migrate? Birds migrate to move from areas of low or decreasing resources to area of high or increasing resources.
City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can't see. Who knows? Is this the start of something wonderful and new? Or one more dream that I cannot make true?
I am ANURAG, 17 years old. I came from Bistupur, which is about 80 kilometers from here. Firstly, firstly, the school where I am now is very renowned. Secondly, the school in my hometown was till 10th. So basically, I ended up here to get a better education and give a good start to my career.
It's almost 2 years now, so far from my family, alone.
If you want something you never had, you have to do something you have never done. Everyone has to leave their home one day. Anurag left a little earlier than us.
Drinking water is not available in my PG. We go to the nearby Gurudwara to fill our bottles. This is the room where I used to live when I first came here. This was shared by 3 people. It had more facilities like TV, AC, as well as cleaning staff. But this room doesn't have any of those facilities.
Now I can increase my focus on my studies as I get less distracted from my other roommates.
My mess provides 3 meals a day. I pack my breakfast for school and eat it during recess.
There are many problems with mess foods here. If you fail to follow them, you may miss your lunch and dinner. I had to change my messes 2 times.
We are always told that to achieve great heights in life, you need to first get out of a city and hustle in some more propitious place. But there are people for whom our city is their propitious place.
The food is good here. On Sunday, we even get non-veg options. But I miss my mother's cooking.
Why you ended up living here?
I ended up living here because my previous school was only till 10th. Study life is better here because I come from a joint family and it was not suitable for me to study there. The basic amenities that are provided here are very good, like 24/7 electricity and water and a personal room and clean washrooms and all.
भाई ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया यार।
भाई सामान कहाँ रखते हो?
यहाँ रखते हैं।
ये भाई The rooms are not even separated by walls.
भाई जो बगल में रहता है वो जब रात में बात करते रहते हैं तो पढ़ने के टाइम बहुत डिस्टर्ब होता है, उसका आवाज बहुत पतला है।
अरे
दीवार
भाई
थोड़ी, ये सीट है, सीट
फाइबर शीट।
यस।
अरे भाई When asked about what he is grateful for,
कि जो मेरे पास खिड़की है, मतलब उधर तो चारों तरफ से बंद होता है, सुबह के टाइम भी वहाँ अंधेरा ही होता है।
every year thousands of Shubham leave their houses, pack their whole life in a bag, come to this city and adjust themselves in these suffocating rat holes. Even our bathrooms are lot bigger than these rooms. JEE, NEET, and don't know what other exams forced them to be mature very, very early in life. At the age of finding ourselves, we are getting lost in finding our ranks. Maybe this is the new normal.
Go, mama.
言えないよここ